Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix privacy setting in 2022 on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, open up TikTok and go to the profile and then tap on three lines here, then tap on settings and privacy, and here you can see privacy. So just simply tap on this and you can see here private account. So if you want to make your account private, then what you have to do is just simply turn the toggle on for this. If you don't, then what you have to do is just simply turn the toggle off and suggest your account to others. Here you can see. So you can see here, if you want to suggest your account to your contacts, then what you have to do is just simply open the toggle off. And if you want to suggest your account to Facebook friend, just simply turn the toggle on for this. If you want, then what you have to do is just turn it off. People with mutual connection, if you share your account to mutual connection, then what you have to do is just simply turn the toggle on. So go back and you can see here downloads, and if you want that other people download your video you share, so just simply turn the toggle on for this. If you want, then what you have to do is just turn the toggle off. Go back, here are the comments and who can comment on your video and story. So if you want to select everyone, then check on this. If you want to select friend, then check on this, and if you want to select no one, then check on this, and then go back. Here you can see mention and tags. So who can tag you? Everyone, people you follow, or friends. So which you want to select, so tap on this and go back. Here are following lists. Who can see your following list? Everyone or only me? So you can select from here. Here you can see dude. Who can dude with your videos? You can see I have selected only me. If you want to select that anybody with due to your video, then what you have to do is just simply select friendship or everyone. So go back again. Here you can see who can watch your like videos, only me or everyone. So you have to select one of them. So that is the privacy setting guys. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.